Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue credit note to customer on Gekko accounting software. To issue a credit note, we need to go to invoices section and select an invoice to or for which we need to issue a credit note. So in my case, I need to issue credit note for Liz Brown or to Liz Brown. Click on three dots and click on credit invoice. From here, you can amend details. For example, if you need to change date, click on this blue pen and you will be able to amend date. Don't forget to click save. Also, you can issue credit in full or in partial. Make sure that minus sign stays there and amend details here if required. You can add additional information. There is already a note saying that this credit note is based on invoice based on my system numbering, and then I can save as a draft or save invoice and send. I can mark as send or actually send invoice, but in that case make sure that you have provided an email address above. I will mark as send, and it's stating that they've been credited, and also there is little brown circle advising that this has been credited, and amount for 55. If I click on this credit note, I can see details to which credit note this actually invoice relates to. If I go back to invoices, this invoice shows up here and credit note is there. So in this episode, I showed you how you can issue credit notes to customers, either in full or in partial if required. Just amend information on Gekko accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Gekko tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.